Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating felt pencil toppers. The required materials include felt sheets in a variety of colors, paper templates or stencils for the body and features, a pair of scissors, fabric glue, or low-temperature hot glue to use with adult supervision, number 2 pencils for a best fit, and markers or pens for tracing the templates. You can also add optional decorations including googly eyes, buttons, tiny pom-poms, ribbon scraps, rhinestones, yarn, etc. And you can also add an optional small felt strip to reinforce the pencil opening. Start by preparing and cutting out your templates. Draw or print a simple body shape that is about 1.5 inches wide and 2.75 inches tall. Create smaller add-on templates for features like ears, wings, beaks, or tails. Use your templates to cut 2 identical bodies and any features that you have from the felt. Carefully apply a thin line of glue along the sides and top edges of the back piece. The unglued bottom edge will be the opening for your pencil. Then place the front piece on top of it, sandwiching any wings, ears, or tails between the 2 layers. Add any facial features or any of your optional decorations and allow the glue to dry completely. Check the drying time on your glue's label, and once the glue is fully dry, slide the topper onto the eraser end of a number 2 pencil. Gently adjust the opening if needed, and for optional extra durability, glue a small felt strip inside of the bottom edge to act as a collar to prevent stretching. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.